when you solve this problem. Please try and watch this video to the end and see how simple it will be. So you have 9 to the power 81 plus c equals to c to the power c. So you now try to repair the process here. So instead of this one, you have here will be 9 to the power 81 multiplied by 9 to the power c, and everything will be equals to c to the power c. Let us start to put all the c's in one side. So we divide both sides by 9 to the power c, 9 to the power c. So this and this will go. So the left hand side now will have only 9 to the power 81 and be equals to, look at this one, they have common power. So you can write it as c over 9 all to the power of c. So look at the base here. The base is 9. You can write it as 81 over 9 all to the power of 81. You see, because 81 divided by 9 is still 9, and equals to c over 9 all to the power of c. Here, this c, this 9 and 9 will go, and what will survive here will be 81 power of 81 and equals to c power c. So in all ramification, c is 81 and even c is 81. If you use the base, the c is 81. If you use the power, the c is 81. Therefore, c is equals to 81. And that is the final answer.